Hi, I'm Rox. It's currently 4 in the morning. I'm pretty sure I'm manic, but let's do an emo makeup look for beginners. Beginner friendly, starter, beginner, yeah. I think my favorite part about me being a YouTuber is never planning out my videos. And I feel like that's very apparent through my channel thing. We just get there and hope we get there in one piece. Okay. So I have concealer. Behold my beautiful cord management. I have primer here. And concealer. So, foundation. Okay, so for primer, I'm just going in with this drugstore stuff. Just here, and a little bit on the nose. And then we just blend that out. This isn't necessary for like emo makeup. This is just my base. And I have like a lot of acne on my chin usually, or acne scars. And major eye bags that I'd like to cover up. And then my nose is just like, the color is usually off. Although I don't usually do a full face of makeup, so take everything that I say for like with a grain of salt. I'm gonna and then fix my nose. Okay, now that we have that done, we're gonna conceal the under eye just a little bit. Cause like major bags aren't necessarily the look. Yep, nope, still have eye bags, so still prevalent, still there. But hey, at least it makes them look a little less noticeable. I believe we're supposed to start this with like a setting powder. I'm gonna be honest, I don't have that. We'll go in with like a skin colory powder, but that is the most I'm doing it. And I'm using a blush brush because why not? Now, the key to emo makeup, at least in my opinion, is doing the under eye first. So whatever color you're going with, like a cool tone or warm tone, I would recommend going under your eye with that color. Oh my god, I'm so sorry for my nails. They're so like gross. But I usually go with like a red undertone, so that's why I'm putting a red under my eye. I want that all in there. The messier the better. Oh yeah, it's looking like I got punched in the eye. And then you want to smear it a lot. And then you do that to the other eye. And then you smear it. The key to this look is to look as unput together as you possibly can. Okay, maybe not that badly, but like with like still making it work. So, oh, and also this palette is fucking ancient. It's probably the reason why I get so many breakouts whenever I wear makeup. Because I've been using this palette since I got makeup. And I refuse to get another palette or use newer palettes because I like my old-fashioned palette. Thank you very much. Southern twang is coming out there. And then we go in with this one. It's pretty. And we go in with the black. And we just yep. Like that. Pretty simple. Pretty easy motion. Just yay! And an eyeliner. Because of course you can forget about that. Eyeliner. Okay, I'm gonna be completely honest, I can't see it at all. Maybe the glitter one will be better. This is my glitter eyeliner. I love it so much. Eyeliner, I found it isn't hard, it's just really easy to mess up. So you can't see it at all. Now you can. Now the last thing is lips, and I'm gonna be honest, I mostly just use glosses because I don't have time for like something too fancy, but just put the gloss on. And you're done. Voila, you're an emo now. Good luck. But I am gonna straighten my bangs and bangs. I don't have any bangs. I am gonna fix my face now. Fix the rest of my look now. Bye. Post editing rocks with Maggie barking in the background. There is no extra look. I just went to bed. I was like, you know what? I'm tired. My friend's over. I'm just gonna go to sleep. It's 4 in the morning. So I still don't have an outro figured out, but see you guys the next time. Bye!